start by talking about credit scores. If you want to get a mortgage to buy a home or get a good rate on a car loan, you will need a good credit score. If you rent and plan to move, you may need a good credit score to show your landlord they can trust you to keep up with your rent payments. That's why a good credit score can be very important. But in your journey to rebuild credit, I don't want you to obsess over your credit score. Sure, a good credit score is important, but it's not the be-all and end-all. A good credit score is just a number. It's a math formula. And there's more than one formula. TransUnion will show a different credit score than is on your Equifax report. Your bank sees a different credit score than the one you see. Each lender has their own credit score calculation. If you want to get a new loan someday, the answer is to focus not on your credit score, but on building a better credit history. You need to create a reputation as someone who can borrow money and pay it back. Lenders want to see proof that you can handle credit wisely. Your credit history is all the information on your credit report, your personal information, balances, payment history, and more. These are the ingredients that you need to manage to rebuild your credit. You want your entire credit report to look good, not just your credit score. It's also important to understand that your credit history is a timeline. Your bankruptcy or consumer proposal is in the past. You now have a fresh start. The good news is that any new activity you create has a bigger impact on your credit score than old history. That means that the effect of any negative information like your bankruptcy or consumer proposal will fade over time and can be replaced by steps you take to build a better history from today forward. But this process takes time. In the next lesson, we're going to talk about what your credit goals should be and how long it can take to rebuild credit.